Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a crucial topic that could save you from unexpected fees. SBI credit card cash withdrawal charge. So first thing first, withdrawing cash from your SBI credit card isn't free. Unlike your debit card, it's treated as a high-cost cash advance, not a regular purchase. Here's why you should think twice. SBI slaps you with three fees on every ATM withdrawal. Number one, cash advance fee, 2.5% of the withdrawal amount. Number two, GST, 18% on top of that fee. Number three, daily interest, charged instantly at 3.5% per month until you repay. Imagine you withdraw 20,000 and repay it after 30 days. Fee plus GST is 590 and interest is 700. Total cost 1,290 for 20,000. That's a 6.45% burn. Do this instead. Use UPI or debit card for cash. Have an emergency fund. Repay immediately if you use this. Bottom line, avoid SBI credit card cash withdrawals unless it's life or death. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.